In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have the QuickBooks app connected to a specific Monday.com board and ready to run automations. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Monday.com with permission to install apps and that you have access to the workspace and board you plan to use. Start on your Monday.com homepage. This is your central hub, and it's the easiest place to begin any setup. Once you're in, look for the small puzzle-shaped icon at the top of the screen. That's the apps or marketplace icon. Click it to open the marketplace. Inside the marketplace, you can explore a lot of apps, but to get straight to the point, use the search bar and type QuickBooks. This filters the results so you can quickly find the official QuickBooks listing. When you see it, click into the QuickBooks app page. You'll notice it's a built-in integration, which means it's officially supported and designed to work smoothly with your boards and automations. On the app page, click Use App. You'll be asked where you want to add it, so choose the workspace where your finance or operations team collaborates. Picking the right workspace helps keep permissions and visibility clean. Next, choose the board that will hold the items you want to sync with QuickBooks, like invoices, bills, or expenses. If you don't see the right board, double check that you have access or confirm the board exists in the workspace you selected. Select the board by clicking it, then confirm by clicking Add App. This attaches the QuickBooks app to that specific board so you can use templates and automations there. After that, click Use Template. Templates give you a head start with recommended columns and common automation recipes tailored for QuickBooks, which saves setup time and reduces errors. Now click Create Automation. This is where you decide what should happen and when. For example, you might choose a trigger like when status changes to ready to invoice and pair it with an action such as create an invoice in QuickBooks. You'll map your board's columns to QuickBooks fields, things like customer, amount, due date, and description, so data flows in the correct format. During this step, you may be prompted to connect and authorize your QuickBooks account. Complete that secure authorization so Monday.com can send data to QuickBooks on your behalf. Once your automation is configured, review the mapping for accuracy, save it, and you're set. From here, every time your defined trigger occurs on that board, QuickBooks will update accordingly, giving you a reliable, repeatable workflow with less manual work.